It's all about the view. If your heart leaps when it gazes across rolling land, this may be the farm for you. 80 acres total, fenced for cattle, with 2 stocked ponds, a hay barn, and about 50 acres in lush Bermuda pasture. There are 2 private stocked ponds, 6 acres and 2.5 acres, loaded with bass, crappie, and catfish. The extraordinary manor home was completed in 2015 with oversized rooms, 19-foot beam ceilings, and expansive windows offering incredible views. The 1950s 3-bedroom, 2-bath guest home is fully updated throughout. The home began with a sketch and a dream, and some of the Lake Country's finest craftsmen brought it to life. Inspired by classic Kentucky horse barns, the exterior lines are clean, hardy board and batten walls with a stone entry wall and topped by a metal roof. Step inside and enjoy this masterpiece. The great room spans the depth of the home with 19-foot beam ceilings and a floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace. The floors are hand-scraped hickory. Notice how the oversized Anderson windows frame your extraordinary farm views. Take note of the light fixtures throughout the home. Each one was carefully chosen for scale and finish. Can you imagine yourself in this comfortable home? Great farm homes are sited to bring the outdoors in, and this is one of the best you'll find. The kitchen is at the heart of many homes, and this kitchen is truly exceptional. Designed by a competition chef, the layout offers an efficient workflow and room for multiple cooks. The cabinetry is lovely, offset by granite counters and quartz backsplash. Mounted tractor seats are a whimsical approach to island seating, and a pair of farm sinks makes cleanup a breeze. Built-in full-length sub-zero refrigerator and freezer, a must for the well-appointed kitchen. The Wolf range will please any serious cook. Double ovens, 6 burners, and the pot filler is a true convenience. The massive stone hearth offsets the cooking workstation beautifully. Entertaining will be a delight in this home. Can't you imagine awakening to the sun rising over your farm? The pantry is located just around the corner, with plenty of space for bulk supplies and seasonal dishes. You'll also find the laundry room and a small office or craft room tucked privately nearby.